So this is our second session of mega revision. In first session, we have covered multiplication by nines, base method positive division, base method negative division, addition, square of two-digit numbers, and multiplication two-digit by two-digit. In this session, we will try to cover more techniques in the same order in which we learned. If you have missed the first technique, I have uploaded it. You can watch it through the video. Now, the next technique which we are going to learn is, I must not now say learn, I must say revise, because this is revision session, subtraction. You remember the subtraction technique? We have
Yes.
we have two cases. First is normal subtraction, and the second is when we have to take the best friend. Let us take an example. When the digit written below is greater than the digits from which it has to be subtracted, we take the best friend of this digit and add it to this number and put a dot to the next step, where the dot to the next step means that the next number has to be increased by 1. So if I say 4, the best friend of 4 is 6. I will increase to 1, it becomes 7, and I am going to put a dot over here. This dot means this 8 has now been turned to 9. 9. Now 7 is less than 9. So what I will do, I will add the best friend of 9, that is 1 to 7. It becomes 8. Since I have taken best friend in this step, I will put a dot over here. Now this becomes 6, and 6 we can do normal subtraction. 6 minus 6 is 0. Since we didn't took any best friend over here, here we will not put any dot and subtract directly. 3 minus 1 is 2, and finally 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer is 22087. Clear? Let me take one more example. 57194 minus 24327. Now the first step is add the best friend of 7, which is 3 to 4. It becomes 7. Put a dot over here. This goes as normal subtraction. 9 minus 3 is 6. So we won't put any dot. Now this is 3. So the best friend of 3 is 7. Add 7 and 1. It becomes 8. You took the best friend in this step. So put a dot over here. Now 7 minus 5 is 2. And finally 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is 32867. Is this technique clear?
Yes.
Now the next technique is multiplication by 550. Whenever we multiply any number by 5 or 50, I convert 5 as 10 upon 2, and I always consider 50 as 100 upon 2. Sorry. 50 as 100 upon 2. 5 is 10 upon 2 and 50 is 100 upon 2. That is, I have to divide the number by 2. Now two cases will arise. Either the remainder is Either the remainder is 0 or the remainder is 1. If the remainder is 0, then you have to put 0 at the end, and if the remainder is 1, you will put 5 at the end. Similarly, here too, the remainder is going to be either 0 or 1. If the remainder is 0, put double 0 at the end, and if the remainder is 1, put 50 at the end. Remember? So if the number is 864 and I have to multiply it by 5, what I will do, I will divide this number by 2. This becomes 432 and then put a 0 at the end. My second example, I will consider an odd number with odd digits. Okay. So when I will divide this number by 5, I'm going to get 2. 3 divided by 2 is 1. Now 15 is remaining. 15, so divide by 2 is 7. And remainder is 1. When the remainder is 1, you put a 5 at the end. Let us consider some examples of multiplying the number by 50. So how will it go? 3 divided by 2 is 1. Now 1 and 1 becomes 11. Divided by 2 is 5. 1 remaining. 1 and 6 becomes 16. Divided by 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now the remainder is 0. So you will put double 0 at the end. The technique is clear?
Yes.
Very nice. Yes, now the next technique is multiplication by 25. Well, I have to multiply any number by 25. I will consider 25 as 100 upon 4. Now, 4 cases will arise. The first case is that the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, put double 0 at the end. If the remainder is 1, we have to put 25 at the end. If the remainder is 2, we have to put 50 at the end. And if the remainder is 3, we have to put 75.
I'll be right back.
Only these possibilities are there. Whenever I divide any number by 4, I will get remainder as 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. Oh, sorry, 0, 1, 2 or 3. I can't get the remainder as 4. Now let us multiply times 25. Look, 4 divided by 4 is 1. 3 divided by 4, so 0, and now the number becomes 31. 31 divided by 4 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. So 3 is remaining. 3 and 7 becomes 37. 9 times 4 is 36. Again 1 remaining. 1 and 2 becomes 12. And 3 times 4 is 12. Now the remainder is 0. So I will put double 0 at the end. Let me take one more example. The example says 53173 5 times 25. Now you can speak. Just help me out. What is the first digit?
5.
5 divided by 4 is 1. I will say
1.
1. Then 1 and 3 becomes 13. Divided by 4 is
3.
3.
Remainder 1.
1. Send 1 and 1 becomes 2. 1 and 1 becomes 11. When we divide by 4, I will get 4 times 2 is 8 and 3 remaining. 3 and 7 becomes 37. So what must be the next digit here?
9.
9. 9 times 4 is 36. Now 1 remaining. 1 and 3 becomes 13. So what should be the next digit?
3.
Yes, 3. This is also correct. Now 1 and 5 becomes 15.
Again 3.
4. You will get 3. 4 times 3 is 12. And remaining is 3. When the remainder is 3, you have to put 75 at the end. The technique is clear?
Yes.
Very nice. So the next technique is multiplication 3 digit by 3 digit. In this technique, the answer comes in 5 easy steps. Let us see. Let us revise those 5 steps. We know very well these dots represent the digits Now first step says multiply units digit of both the number. We have to remember that in each step we are supposed to write just one digit. If the answer comes as a 2-digit number, take the second number as carry. We'll also see some examples. Now the second step is cross multiply tens digit of first number by units digit of second number and tens digit of second number with units digit of first number and add both of them. The third says multiply 100 digit of first number with units digit of second number, 100 digit of second number into units digit of first number and tens digit of both the numbers. After that, 100 into 10, 100 into 10. And finally, these two. So let's take an example. Now, first step is 1 times 2, which is 2. The second step, cross multiply and add. 4 2s are 8 plus 6 1s are 6. 8 plus 6 is 14, so I will write 4. 1 will go as carry. The third step, which seems to be the biggest step, is 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 24 is 35. And 1 from carry, this becomes 36. I will write 6 and 3 will go as carry. I am repeating this step. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 5 times 1 is 5. 6 plus 5, 11. Then 4 times 6 is 24. 11 plus 24 is 35 and 1 from carry. This becomes 36. I have written 6 over here and 3 will go as carry. The next step, 3 times 6 is 18 plus 20 is 38 plus 3 from carry, it becomes 41, 1 and 4 carry. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 4 from carry, this becomes 19 and our answer is 191642. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
So I'm giving one question for you all. You have to answer me in chat box. Correct answer, Tanvi? Correct answer, Saranya? Yeah. Correct answer, Anvi. Okay. So the next technique, and the correct answer is 203514. Now, the next technique is squaring three-digit number. Squaring three-digit number is very similar to multiplication three-digit by three-digit, but in this the two three-digit numbers are same. So let us see the previous technique taking the same digit. Let the digits be A, B, C. Now the first step is C square. The second step BC and BC, it becomes 2BC. Third step is AC plus AC, that is twice AC plus B square. Fourth step AB plus AB, that is twice AB. And the fifth step is A square. I hope this is clear.
Yes.
Let me take an example. 452 square. So the first step is 2 square, which is 4. Then 5 times 2 is 10, and we will double it. It becomes 20. So 0, 2 carry. Now 4 times 2 is 8. Double it, it becomes 16. 16 plus 25 is 41, and 2, which is 43. So 3, 4 carry. 4 5s are 20. Double it, it becomes 40, plus 4 is 44. So 4 and 4 carry. The last is 4 square, which is 16, plus 4 is 20. So the answer is 204304. Now, this is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So one question for your practice. 314 square. Anvi, correct answer. Tanvi, your answer is correct. And Saranya, there is slight mistake of one digit. Now let me explain. This is 4 square, which is 16. So 6 and 1 carry. 4 ones are 4. Double it becomes 8. And 1 from carry. This is 9. The third step, 3 into 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. And no carry. So this is 4 3s are 12, double it becomes 24 plus 1, 25. This is 3 4s are 12 and we have to double it. 24 plus 1 is 25, so 1 2 carry. 3 times 1 is 3, double it becomes 6 plus 2 from carry, so this becomes 8. Now no carry, so 3 square is 9 and the answer is 98596. Now let us revise this very special technique in which the number in the middle is 0. I told you that this technique was used in the movie Shakuntala Devi. You remember? We have to put just 3 steps and in each step we have to write 2 digits. The first is square of digit at unit place. So 5 square is 25. Then 5 times 4 is 20. We have to double it. It becomes 40. And the next is last step is 4 square. So this is 4 square. This is 5 square. And 4 times 5 and then double it into 2. This comes to be your second step. Okay. So these were the techniques which I had to cover in your mega revision part 2. Now we will practice some question based on this technique, and these questions you have to solve and send the answer in chat window. Okay. Correct answer, Tanvi. Correct answer, Anvi. Correct answer, Saranya. Saranya, your answer is correct. Anvi, your answer is also correct. So 17 divided by 4 is 4 times 4, 16. 1 and 2 becomes 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 6, 4 times 1, 23. 4 times 5 is 20. 3 remainder. So you will put 75 at the end. Okay. So hopefully the techniques are very much clear to you. No one has any doubt. So in the next session, we will do some division techniques. Okay. Then that's all for this session. See you all on next week. Till then, bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.